After a fun night of games, a good night of sleep, and an early morning walk, it was time to continue our journey and leave the hotel behind. Today we are going down with this thing.
We are going. Wanna go?
Even though I have entered many of these, I still feel kind of scared the second we drive out.
Don't follow. Oh my god.
And I think Ezengmo felt the same.
Eptinerugo. So shame. Huh?
Such a beautiful view, and it really showed us the long road we trekked up yesterday.
Here we go. Are you flying? Flying towards the field. We walked up here, everything yesterday. Now we are using the cable car to go down.
Once we reached the bottom, we gathered momentum, because after the hike is before the hike. The next one was around the corner. We decided to trek up to the waterfall. And this time, Obere Chief was following us. We had to be careful though, because the path was quite steep. But it was all worth it. The waterfall was beautiful, and we could even dip our feet into the ice-cold water. But it took some strength, because the water was really cold.
I think why you don't try.
As you can see, Ezengwa kind of managed to dip his feet, but not more than that. When we climbed back down to the restaurant, we relaxed a little bit before it was time to take the big cable car back home.
Oh, Papi, look what?
And with that, my birthday weekend came to an end. Hopefully very soon, we will be back.